Textile Research Institute Director Dr. Julius L. Liani Jr. and DOST Assistant Secretary Diana L. Ignacio, Assistant Secretary for Administrative and Legal Affairs. We also have our partners from Partnerships for Sustainability Education, the Executive Director, Ms. Rochelle M. Razo, Director for Events, Ms. Reina A. Sedeno, and Director for Projects, Ms. Marita M. Parcelo. And of course, to our official sponsors, for the Ang Pamanang Happy Fashion Show, the Body Shop Philippines, represented by their AVP for Marketing, Mr. Leonardo V. Bernabet Jr., and of course, Farah Models Camp Director, Ms. Farah Ramos. Moving forward, DOST is always committed to providing solutions and opening opportunities by fostering strong collaborations for innovative programs and services. And to discuss more about these partnerships and his thought about the science of every weave and thread, let's give a round of applause for DOST Undersecretary for Regional Operations, Dr. Sancho A. Mabora.